Friends, welcome back. Thank you for your tremendous response on my Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram. Thank you very much. Thank you to my all ex students who are really interested in this topic. So, today we are going to discuss a book by Dr. Joe Dispenza. The name of the book is Being Supernatural: How Common People Do Uncommon Things. If you ever fail to believe some extraordinary things done by common people but need some scientific touch, then this book is for you. This book is available on Amazon. One of my friends referred this book to me, and as I found it very interesting, that's why I want to discuss this book with you. But because of some copyright issues, I'll be discussing just the gist of the chapters of this book. Our very first chapter is about how to become supernatural. And in this first chapter, Dr. Joe Dispenza has discussed one case about one lady who went through serious health conditions because of a trauma suffered. This book teaches us how the yoga, especially meditation, transforms us biologically to do the uncommon things. You may feel these uncommon things as miracles also. This book is about self-healing and creating lot of opportunities in your life. As already I said that there is scientific touch in this book. Dr. Joe Dispenza has taken the brain scans of his attendees in the workshop, and he proved his point that how the meditation or yoga helps us to create uncommon things. So as I said, he has discussed the case of Anna, who has got some serious health problems due to a trauma she suffered. She had a very beautiful life. She has 2 children, very good job in a big reputed company, loving husband. Suddenly what happened in her life was, on one Sunday afternoon, her husband committed suicide, and she was left back with lot of debt. As she was having joint account with her husband, she was left with lot of debt, 2 children, and she suffered this trauma. She was not able to bear this trauma. So she went into the survival mode. Dr. Joe Dispenza called this as survival mode. When someone is under a lot of stress, if someone suffers some trauma, he is under a lot of stress. To cope up with the stress, our body secretes one hormone that is called as adrenaline. And this is the stage which we call, or which Dr. Joe Dispenza call as survival mode. So we are under survival mode. And in this survival mode, lot of energy is required to cope up with the stress. So all our energy is focused only on coping the stress, and then we suffer a lot of, because other parts or other functions, there is deficiency of the energy to carry out other functions. So we suffer from lot of diseases. And same happened with Anna. Anna suffered from cancer. She had a paralytic attack. She she developed lot of ulcers in her mouth till oesophagus. So all these medical conditions, serious health conditions developed, and to cope up with this she took lot of medications, and it took nearly 2 years to reach to the serious and very serious health conditions. And after that, suddenly a miracle happened. One of her friend said that there is a workshop in our city. If you like it, you attend that workshop by Dr. Joe Dispenza, and if you like it, you can continue with the workshop for 3 days, and if you find it suitable for you, you can continue. And she attended it, and she found it really useful. So tomorrow be ready that how Anna through meditation went for self healing, that I am going to explain you. Thank you. Bye.